landscape has changed drastically over the past 15 years, accelerating the proliferation of advanced dry ice blasting solutions to the marketplace. ReadyArc has been on the forefront, staying ahead of these developments to best serve the needs of our customers from a practical standpoint. And now, working with New Ice, we've strengthened our portfolio, offering heavy-duty, high-performance, industrial-grade equipment built for the rental industry and complementing the rugged demands of our contracting customers, as well as our end users and operators across the full spectrum of industries that we support. The versatility of dry ice blasting reserves a place at the table as emerging industries start to scale. This would include things like renewables, advanced manufacturing, and clean tech sectors, for example, which all represent growing opportunities to expand into feature applications and support facility and process hygienics. Our specialists are a key differentiator for us and a critical element to our program. Widely recognized as the world's foremost authorities for dry ice blasting application, our specialists collaborate with our customers to help them accurately and effectively manage their project pipelines and navigate hurdles. When a customer doesn't know where to start, our specialists step in to streamline and simplify the process, reviewing project specs, tailoring rental packages to meet the needs of the job, calculating ice consumption estimates, coordinating training for operators and project teams, and liaisoning with our branches and our sales teams to ensure all of their needs are met and a high level of service excellence with every rental.